everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. It's the last Thursday of Pride Month 2026. Where has the time gone, right? So I had a lot of questions the other day like, Greg, what happened to your video on TikTok? Well, let me tell you, I produced it, I put it on TikTok, it was on like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Blue Sky, I think that's about it. But TikTok heard some little noises in the background or something from Pride Fest, and they muted the whole video. So I tried to go back online and get it back to where I wanted it and edit it, but it was impossible. So that's what happened on Monday. So anyway, just out of a program, I have a paid podcast I am doing tomorrow. Then that's it for Pride Month. So, and yes, people were asking me how did I do this month, speaking and stuff. Things are down. Things are very down. So looking to expand my realm is the best way to put it. I want to vent a little bit this morning. So when I get up, I don't know if you're like me, but in the morning I meditate, prayers, whatever. Get myself ready. I get coffee going, do my vitamin routine, all that kind of stuff. Put a little news on, a little Good Morning America, and then I watch Kelly and Mark, who's delicious. And so anyway, I just like to have my peace in the morning, and I dislike long texts or people coming at me on issues, and like texting should never be a resolution to any kind of conversations or anything of the sort. Like, you want to talk to me, call me later or something like that after the morning. So I had it just started my morning off rough this morning. Just with somebody that was texting, he's probably watching right now. So just want to say, protect your peace in the morning, protect your peace during the day. I'm not Mother Teresa here. I put goodness out in the world. I try to be really good in what I do and be a good human. And I think I'm pretty successful at that. But we all have our moments. And I'm not saying that was a moment at all, but yeah. So all my actions are well thought out, let me put it that way, and posts and things like that. So just want to say, I'm looking at this box over here. I'm switching gears a little bit. So I had a really big Gregor seasoning order right here. It's a 10-pound box that I'm sending out. You can see the dimensions on the bottom. This has cost me $42. That's with a discount shipping on UPS. I noticed some changes on UPS shipping as of like a couple of months ago, and I feel bad for the people who are ordering seasoning. I'm trying to help you out with costs, but spices have gone up, shipping's gone up, packaging, all that kind of stuff. So I appreciate the orders. I appreciate everything. When I travel and stuff, especially to Michigan, I always say to people, do you want any seasoning? Do you want something so I can save you on the shipping? So yeah, that's what's happening. So I got to take that down to the UPS store. Got a few things to do today. I'm in better spirits than I was this morning, but I'm glad things are moving and grooving. I'm looking out the window because it's a beautiful sunny day out. It's about 77 degrees out. Going to be warmer, honey, next week in the 90s, so be prepared. Be very prepared. Couple of things. I want to welcome Tilly Bagel here in East Lakeview, here in Illinois, in Chicago. They opened up yesterday in my neighborhood. I love a good bagel every now and then, and their menu looks great, so welcome to them. And I want to remind you the Chicago Pride Parade is kicking off this Sunday at 11 a.m., going from uptown area right through the neighborhood where I live in East Lakeview, about a block away. So plan for road closures, things like that. A lot of people in the hood, just want to let you know. So that parade goes from about 11 till 2. Then the streets are especially down in my neighborhood, are blocked off for a while because of people roaming around, and I hope nobody's flooding or doing any kind of damage. That's all I'll say. Happens every year though. So be good humans, be good people, spread peace in the world. Let me have my peace in the morning. Have a great weekend. Have a great Pride Festival wherever you are at. And I'll see you on Monday. All right? Take care. Bye.